In this video, we will know that how to fix all Windows Media Player error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So guys, let's start the video. The first method is right click here taskbar and click here task manager option. And after that guys, find here Windows Media Player in this list under the process option. So there are a media player, right click on it and click here add task option. Okay, so now the second method is click here start button and click here run. Now type here this command here. This is the same command, type here. Okay, this is the command, type here under run box. Now click here OK. Now guys, minimize it and click here advanced option and select this option and click here next. So guys, it will detect the automatically problem. Click here apply this fix. Okay, so there are a problem, close it and after that clear Windows Media Player database. Okay, so now we are going for clear the database. Now click here start button, click here run. Now type here this command. Okay, so I will type here under notepad. This is the command. I will give you in a description. You can check here under description. Now click here OK button. This is the cache files of media player. Now select these all files and delete. These are cache files. Okay, now close this window, minimize it. And guys, if your problem is not fixed here, we are going for next method. Click here start button and click here settings. Now click here system. After that guys, click here optional features and click here view feature option and you can see here added features. Okay, this option is displayed. These are added on your PC. Now find here media player, window media player. So here window media player legacy app. Now guys, check this checkbox and click here remove. Okay, so your window media player will remove from your PC. So guys, you can see here the window media players gets removed from your PC. Now close this dialog and again click here system and click here optional feature and again view feature, click here and click here see available features. Okay, this option, click here. So guys, you can see here there are some features. Now find here window media player. So there are window media player. Now check this checkbox and add. Click here add button. So guys, your window media player will reinstalled on your PC. So guys, you can see here window media player get added on your PC. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.